Bonjour et bienvenue. Hello and welcome. Today, I welcome all of you to your first French class. French is a new language that you will learn in class 1. Like English or Arabic, French is a language that we can all read, write, and speak. When we meet someone new, what do we say first? We say hello. In French, we say bonjour. So, to all of you, I'm saying bonjour, hello, and bienvenue, welcome. Now, the flag that you see on the screen is the French flag. It has 3 colors, blue, white, and red. Now, today, the first words that I'm going to teach you are the words which will be useful to meet when you meet your friends, to meet and greet them. You can say hello. We learned the word that is bonjour. Then it can also mean good morning. In the class, when you see your teacher, you can greet her in French. You can say bonjour madame. Bonjour. Question that we can ask someone is comment ça va? How are you? When someone asks us, how are you? What do we say? We say, I'm fine, thank you. In French, we can say, ça va bien, merci. I'm fine, thank you. The word merci means thank you. Now let us use all these words in a song. That way, it would be fun and easy to remember. The song that we are going to sing is written on the side. Bonjour, bonjour, comment ça va? Bonjour, bonjour, très bien, merci. And that means in English, hello, hello, how are you? Hello, hello, I'm fine, thank you. Now once again, I will repeat. Écoutez bien. Listen carefully. Bonjour, bonjour, comment ça va? Bonjour, bonjour, très bien, merci. That was easy. Let's move on to how we can read and write French. For that, we would need a 4-line notebook. You can use any old English notebook or any spare 4-line notebook that you have with you. And you would need a pencil, a sharpener, and an eraser. In our notebook, we start by writing the letters. I'm sure all of you know the letters in English. That is your ABCs from A to Z. In French, we use the same letters to write. As in English, the letters are the same to write. We write A, B, C, D like it appears here on the screen. But we do not say them the same way that we do in English. The letters are pronounced differently from how they are in English. Now let us learn how each letter is pronounced, and let us also learn a word starting with each letter. That way it would be very easy to remember. First, the letters and their sounds. We call them alphabet, and in French we can say l'alphabet en français. Let's go. L'alphabet en français, it means alphabet in French, which means the letters A to G. Let us see the letters one after the other. As they appear on the screen, I will say how they sound in French. A, A, B, B, C, say, they, uh, uh, f, g, h, i, j, k, l, Now I will repeat these French letters for you. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. Let's see the next ones. M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Once again, I repeat them for you. M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now that we know how each letter sounds in French, we can move on to learn a word with the first letter of the alphabet, and that is the letter A. The capital letter and the small letter A, and in French we say A. The word that we are going to learn with A is avion. A, avion. A, avion. And avion means something that all of us love to fly in. An aeroplane. An aeroplane. In English, airplane, and in French we say avion with the letter A. Avion. The easiest way to learn a new word and to remember how to write it is to write it in the notebook. Now, after we write all the letters in one page, the next page, we can write the date in the corner and write the word avion, spell it carefully, A-V-I-O-N, and then draw an airplane beside it. On top of the page, we can write CW, that means classwork, and in the next page on the top, we can write HW, homework. And what do we do as homework? We repeat the same word that we learnt in class as homework. So both the pages, we will write the word avion in all the empty lines. The more we write, the easier it will be to remember how to spell the word. And while you're writing, try to say the word and write. Say avion, avion while you write it. All the new words that you learn, you can repeat it once as classwork in all the lines in one page and as homework in the next page. Now, for today, we have learned a lot of new things, and French is interesting and fun to learn. So we learned how to say hello, that's bonjour, and we learned how to ask, how are you? Comment ça va? And to reply, ça va bien, merci, or I'm fine, thank you. Now, once we meet our friends, we play with them, and it's time to go home or it's time to leave. What do we say? We say goodbye. And how do you say goodbye to your friends? You can say au revoir. That means goodbye. Or you can say a bientôt. See you soon. A bientôt. So keep practicing the words we learned and all the letters and how do they sound. And when you write the word in your notebook or when you write the letters in your notebook, say them, the sound, how do they sound when you say it, and then you write it. That way it becomes very easy to remember what we learned. And I will see you again in our next French class. Till then, à bientôt. See you soon. Au revoir.